Hello, welcome to Business Management 110, Office Methods, and Human Resources. I'm going to be your instructor for this semester. My name is Rachel Lundbaum. I just wanted to give you a quick overview of the course and kind of help you to navigate the course Canvas site. So let's go ahead and get started. You can click either on the modules over here or on the click here to access the course site to get started. Um, the first thing I would like you to do I'll click here, is to go ahead and read the course syllabus. And then I have a little quick quiz on the syllabus to make sure that you understand some of the important things. Then I have a little bit about myself, and then you can introduce yourself to your classmates in this forum. So let's go ahead and just briefly look at the syllabus. All right. So you will have a textbook. This is Business Management, Office Methods, and Human Resources. Here's all my information in here. Office hours. I do have office hours from 11 to 12 on Mondays and Wednesdays. If you would like to meet with me virtually during those times, because I'm not on campus at WETCC, then you can just send me an email and let me know you'd like to meet, and I'll send you the Zoom link or another virtual meeting. You can also call me at any time. I didn't realize my phone number wasn't on here, but I'll put my phone number on the main page. So really just email is probably the best way to get a hold of me. If you can call me if you need to talk. That's perfectly fine. I do have office hours, so I will for sure be available during those times. And I can send you a link to Zoom if you would like to meet Monday or Wednesday, 11 to noon, or at any other time by appointment. You can read about the learner outcomes and core competencies. So we do have a book in this class. I'm trying to see where it is on here. The book that you need to get is called Org B. Here it is. It's called Org B 6th edition. You don't need the Mind Tap with it, you just need the book. All right, and you can get the ebook or you can get the printed book. It's a pretty, I like the book because it's just it covers the basics and it does a good job in a very concise manner. So in this class, we'll have 585 points. So every week you'll have a quiz and an assignment or a discussion forum with each chapter. And then you'll have 2 exams, a midterm exam and a final exam. You can use your book or your notes on any of the quizzes or exams. The goal is for you to learn the material, and the best way for you to learn the material is to have access to resources to help you. Please note, though, that your exams will be timed, so you will need to do some studying ahead of time. But if you forget one answer, you can look that one up. Another note, you can take your quizzes as many times as you'd like. My goal is for you to learn the material, so by retaking them, you can learn from which answer you got wrong or right, etc. So please note you can take the quizzes as many times as you want. You'll have a quiz for every chapter and an assignment or a discussion for every chapter, and then 2 exams. Here's the grading scale. I do use discussion and assignment rubrics, which you can see here. In this class, we'll have readings from the textbook. I will make a short mini lecture for each chapter. You'll have a chapter quiz, a chapter assignment or discussion forum, and then the 2 exams. I'll also post some what we might call recommended readings or videos to also help you learn the content of the course. Here's the calendar. You can kind of read through all of this stuff. I do want to bring to attention the attendance policy. Students that fail to attend 2 consecutive class periods will be dropped from the class. So I will mark attendance each week, and so the way that I'll do attendance is based on whether you logged in and did the assignments or not. So if you did the quiz but not the assignment, I would consider you to be tardy. If you did the quiz and the assignment, then you would be marked as present for the week. If you email me and say, hey, I have this going on, I can't get this done, then I'll excuse you for the week. If you don't do any of your work, you'll be marked as absent. That's how I'll do attendance in the class. You will need to have access to a computer. All your assignments will be uploaded into Canvas, and you'll need to access Canvas to do all your work. For missed or late coursework, all missed work or late work is subject to a 10% deduction in grade. I'll do 1% per day for 10 days, and then at that point, it's just 10%. You can turn in your late work at any time up until April 30th. But my goal is really for you to do your work on time because that'll help you to stay on track in the course. But if by chance you do turn something in late, this is the policy. If at any time you have any questions about the course or you need help, please come to me or to Student Support Services. I'm always happy to help you. I'm always happy to assist you in identifying, areas you're struggling with, helping you to work through them. I'm always happy to answer questions about assignments, forums, quizzes, etc. I'm here to help you to be successful. If you need accommodations, work with your disability support services in your student services. I'm happy to make accommodations as needed. Again, my goal is for you to be successful. All right. Academic honesty, don't plagiarize, don't copy other people's work. I think that's pretty well known. If you have questions on that, let me know. Obviously, I like the value of diversity, the statement on this. We want to support and we want to embrace everybody's differences and what makes them them. So in this class, we try to aim to have an inclusive classroom. I truly believe that we can all learn from each other and that we should, even though I'm the instructor for the course, I know that you are all going to teach me things as well. So that's kind of the way that I go into the course in hopes that we can all learn from each other and respect each other's differences and unique experiences. Right, so here's the class schedule, and it's also posted on the homepage. So I'll just go back to the homepage. It shows you what will be covered each week and what is due. So for this week, we'll start with Chapter 1. So you have your Chapter 1 quiz and your Chapter 1 assignment, which will be due on Sunday, January 16th. If you go into the modules, here it shows all the work. So here's the getting started. So you need to do this week and then also need to do the Chapter 1 discussion forum, and should be a quiz in here. I just have to post it. So I'll get that done ASAP. And so each week I'll be updating it as we go. I'll try to get ahead here a little bit, but I wanted to make sure you at least got Chapter 1 in there. So that's kind of the gist. Basically what you need to know is the homepage, the modules is where all your info will be. Here's your grades, and that will have all your grades as I grade things. And if at any time you have any questions, I encourage you to just reach out to me and I'm happy to help. Have a great day. I look forward to learning from all of you and to a great